Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite go-to juice, smoothie, and milkshake. These are all great if you just want to be a little bit more healthy. So to start off, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite juice. This juice is so good, I crave it every day. So the first ingredient is cantaloupe, the second is 1 banana, and the third is 1 mango, and then frozen strawberries. It's good to keep all of these ingredients really cold in your refrigerator. I added some water so it's easy to blend, and I blended it all up. And if you don't have a powerful blender, make sure you cut all your ingredients up finely so it's easier for your blender to blend it all up. I just have a Blendtec and that just destroys everything. So I filled up a whole glass, and this recipe is good enough for 2 people. This tastes like heaven in a cup. You don't realize it's really healthy and good for you. I usually have this for breakfast. That's a wonderful breakfast to have. Jumpstarts your morning. Next, I'm going to show you my favorite smoothie to make, and it's sweet and tangy and so delicious. As far as the ingredients, you need frozen strawberries, frozen peaches. You can use any frozen fruit you have. It really doesn't matter. Honey for an extra little sweet taste. Yogurt, essential for a smoothie, and ice, another essential ingredient. And of course, pineapple, because it's delicious and tastes like candy. So I filled up my blender with all the ingredients, and I don't give exact measurements for my smoothies because it's just whatever you want to throw in there. Pick whatever you want, throw it in there. It really doesn't matter. It tastes great any way you make it. And again, chop up everything if you have a cheaper blender, which is totally fine. And I added a little water so it's easier to blend for the blender. Next, I'm going to show you my favorite milkshake, and I put this in the healthy category because it's healthier than most milkshakes, but it's still a milkshake, so it's a milkshake. So the first ingredient are Oreo cookies, and then any kind of ice cream, vanilla or chocolate. The next ingredient is milk. Then the next is 1 banana, and this tastes amazing with the ice cream and the cookies. So again, I filled up my blender, blended it all up, and it's delicious. There's nothing better than an ice-cold milkshake. This is a great dessert idea if you want dessert after your dinner, and it's really easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I gave you some great ideas on making some juices and smoothies and milkshakes. Make sure to click on the screen if you want to watch a random cooking DIY.